If you want to give audition for becoming a K-pop idol but you are stuck on which choreography to choose for dancing, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to suggest some amazing K-pop choreographies that will help you stand out and impress the judges. Whether you're looking for something fierce, fun, or stylish, I've got you covered. Let's go. Firstly, let's talk about Twice's iconic More and More. If you're looking for a dance that shows off your precision, energy, and charisma, this is it. If you can nail this, you're already setting yourself apart. The speed, the sharpness, and those killer formations are essential to pulling it off successfully in an audition. This could be a great choice. Next up, we have Luna's mesmerizing Butterfly. If you want to prove you're not just a dancer, but a performer, this one is for you. This dance will test your ability to focus under stress, and that's exactly what the judges are looking for. Next, Naughty by Irene and Solji. This one is all about attitude and charm. The choreography in Naughty is flirtatious and fun, with quick body isolations and sharp movements that demand control in every part of your body. If you can execute this choreography with the right amount of sensuality and cheekiness, you're golden. Audition judges want to see that you can control that balance, knowing when to dial it up and when to pull it back. Can you do all of that while still making it look effortless? Because that's what you have to do to impress those K-pop agencies. Next, Red Velvet's Rookie. Rookie combines fun, precision, and character, qualities that K-pop agencies love to see. It is a high-energy, engaging routine that requires you to be sharp yet expressive. In an audition setting, this dance will allow you to demonstrate your ability to be both precise and playful, which will help you stand out. It is more playful, bubbly, and focused on synchronization and character expression. Rookie will allow you to show off your versatility in terms of personality and energy. Next one is Black Mamba. Black Mamba shows off a wide range of skills, strength, confidence, precision, and stage presence. This choreography challenges you to bring your best energy to the stage, while also showcasing your technical ability to move with control and power. It is a great routine for auditions because it tests not only your ability to perform, but also your ability to captivate the audience with intensity and charisma. If you can pull off this dance with attitude, you'll definitely grab the attention of the judges. It is intense, fierce, and focuses heavily on strength and power. Black Mamba will demonstrate your ability to control powerful movements and own the stage with confidence. Next, I Can't Stop Me by Twice. I Can't Stop Me is a fantastic choice for a K-pop audition because it requires a combination of precision, energy, and emotional expression. It tests not only your technical ability but also your capacity to captivate an audience with your stage presence. Mastering this routine will demonstrate to the judges that you have what it takes to excel in the highly competitive world of K-pop. If you can pull off this choreography with style, confidence, and control, you will be one step closer to making your idol dreams a reality. Wannabe by ITZY is also a good choice, but I suggest you to avoid that because Wannabe by ITZY is a popular hit. It's often overused in auditions, making it harder to stand out. Judges have seen it countless times, and it can set high expectations. For a unique impression, choose a less common routine that highlights your personal style and originality. Try not to choose something too popular. You want your audition to stand out, so before choosing a song, think about how many people might have used that song. For example, Money by Lisa. Companies probably hear that song 10 times a day, so try to avoid it. Try not use songs made from the company you are auditioning for. For example, don't use a song from JYP if you are auditioning for JYP. The reason why I say this is because they will compare you to the original, and if the original is better than you, it may make you less likely to get in the company you want to be in. This goes for vocal and rap auditions too. These are just examples of dances that have the right mix of skill, energy, and presence that K-pop agencies love. At the end of the day, it's all about finding the style that feels right for you. What matters is that you're comfortable and confident with your choice. And if you want song suggestions for K-pop auditions, then click on this video and I will meet you there. You got this.